Morning children. Today we are going to learn a new topic on housing and clothing. What is the name of the lesson? Housing and clothing. Now first of all we will look for the housing. Why do we need a house, children? Can you tell me? Why do we need a house? Huh? We need a house to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, isn't it? And to have rest. So everyone needs a house. Even the animals on the earth need a house. But there are many different types of houses according to their environment. First one is kacha house. Now these are the new words. First we will go to the new words. Now look for the new words here. First one is कच्चा हाउस. ये कच्चा हाउस कैसा होता है चिल्ड्रन? वो मड से बना हुआ होता है. मड. इट इज अ टेम्पररी हाउस. मड से बना हुआ होता है. इट इज अ टेम्पररी हाउस एंड पक्का हाउस इज अ not temporary. It can be used for more than 10 years and all because it is made up of cement and all. Okay, apartments and all. These are all are pakka house. And multi-story building is an apartment, big buildings, many stories, 50 stories, 25 stories and all. And those stories you can see in Mumbai and all. But now in our Sangli and Maharashtra we have at least at 8 to 10 stories. Okay. Next, nomad. A multi-storied building. Nomads are the people who wander from one place to another. They need a temporary house. Okay. Caravan is also a type of house. Igloo is a house where it is used in the cold region. Stilt house. This stilt house is made up of wood. Okay. Then a wood house and its features. We are going to learn about a wood house and its features. Students, open page number 17. Page number 17, housing and clothing. See, they have already given everything whatever I have taught you. What is the first sentence? We need a house to live in and protect us from heat, cold, rain and storm. Our house also protect us from animals and thieves. We see different types of houses around us. We build different types of houses according to our needs. A kacha house. What is a kacha house? A kacha house is made up of mud and straw. It is mostly found in villages. It is not very strong. Then second one, a pakka house. A pakka house is made up of bricks, iron, wood, glass, cement. It is mostly found in towns and it is very strong. A multi-storied building. These buildings are mainly of many floors. It has many floors. Many families can live in the different floors. Okay, you can see the picture here of the multi-storied building. So children, now you will write first these questions on these points here. First point is a kacha house. Write a question yourself. What is a kacha house and copy this sentence. Next one, what is a pakka house? Write this answer. And what is a multi-storied house? You will write this answer. Understood? Now, special houses. You can see the different types of houses. Now see children, this is a picture of a kacha house. See, it is made up of all the straw. Straw yani it is a grass. Dried grass, okay, which are found in villages. You cannot find in the city place here. Mud is there. Sometimes many of them people use cow dung for it. Understood? Now this is a pakka house. See, this is a pakka house. Now you can see around you this type of houses, buildings and all. Okay, and this is a multi-storied house. So now we are going to see for the different types of houses. People who move around from one place to another are called nomads. Nomads means those who do not stay on one place, moving from one place to another. They live in tents. These people live in tents made up of canvas. They are called caravans. यानी झोपड़ा बोलते हैं ना, झोपड़ी, उसमें वो लोग रहते हैं क्योंकि वो बार बार एक गांव से दूसरा गांव से तीसरा गांव चलते रहते हैं, इसीलिए उनको पक्का हाउस का ज़रूरत नहीं होता, जो भी जहाँ भी जाते हैं वो अपना हाउस खुद ही बनाते हैं और वहाँ ठहर जाते हैं। अंडरस्टूड? नो, पीपल लिविंग इन वेरी कोल्ड प्लेसेस build houses of snow house है. What is a snow house? It is called igloo. See, it is the picture is here. Igloo is a snow house found in Himalayan region. The places that are often flooded means बाढ़ आता है, बारिश आती है, where there is a earthquake and all, you find there wooden houses, wooden poles, या वहाँ पे bricks use करते हैं. wood का house होता है जो इट इज़ लाइक अ टेम्पररी हाउस, आप खुद ही बना सकते हैं. सच टाइप ऑफ हाउस इज कॉल्ड अ स्टिल्ट हाउस. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? स्टिल्ट हाउस. ओके, नाउ टर्न द पेज. सो रीड दिस lesson 2 to 4 times and learn all the spellings which you don't know. Did you understand, children? Now next we'll turn to the next page here. Now we will look for the point a good house. What is a good house? Imagine, think about it. A good house should have all the things we need to make ourselves safe and comfortable. A good house should have following features. What features are there? That means it should be well ventilated, enough sunlight should be there, fresh air. Why sunlight? More sunlight, children. Sunlight क्यों चाहिए अंदर आपको? क्योंकि sunlight kills germs and keeps the rooms dry, clean and fresh. Fresh air keeps us healthy. Now about the windows. The windows and doors should have proper wire netting. Means net should be there. Because for the mosquito nets, I think nowadays you are having it in your house also. This keep flies and mosquitoes away, but allow the sunlight to enter in. Third point is the good house should have proper drainage system. Drainage system means what? To carry out the wastewater from the house. This should be this is very important. Otherwise सब सारे जहाँ पे गंदगी फैलती है, ड्रेनेज सिस्टम अच्छा नहीं हो तो सब गंदगी फैलती है और you will get ill, you get many diseases and all. Understood? Next, it should have a bathroom and the bathroom should be properly covered to keep mosquitoes away. Fourth point, the floor of the kitchen and bathroom should be sloped. Sloping रहना चाहिए to allow the water to flow out easily. The floor should be clean every day. Fifth point, it should have open spaces like veranda, courtyard, balconies, and because it lets the fresh air into our house and provides a lot of space for children to play in front of the house. According to me, there should be a small garden also in front of the house to get fresh air and all. And last one, it should have many plants, clean air and make the surrounding beautiful. Okay, this for today this much is okay. Thank you.